Good morning students. Today we will start the exercise 2.2 from question number 16. In question number 16 you have to find out the value of each expression in question 16 to 18. So question number 16 is sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. You have to find out the value of this expression. Now here 2 pi by 3 sine 2 pi by 3 and we know the, let us start the solution. We know the range of principal value branch of sine inverse x is closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, but here 2 pi by 3 that doesn't belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore we will change it. That will come sine of 2 pi by 3. We can write this as sine of pi minus pi by 3. Therefore it will come sine pi by 3 because sine of pi minus theta is equal to sine theta. Therefore sine 2 pi by 3 equal to sine pi minus pi by 3, and that is equal to sine pi by 3 according to this condition. Now what is coming here, the expression is, this expression is sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. So in the place of 2 pi by 3 we can write here sine of pi by 3. After solving this it will come pi by 3. So the value of sine inverse sine of 2 pi by 3 is equal to pi by 3. This is the answer of this question. Now let us start the question number 17. In question number 17 what is given, that is tan inverse tan of 3 pi by 4. This expression is given. Now let us start the solution. We know the range of principal value of tan inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore we can write this tan 3 pi by 4, tan of 3 pi by 4 as tan of pi minus pi by 4, and that is tan of pi minus pi by 4 is minus tan pi by 4, because tan of pi minus theta is minus tan theta. Therefore the expression is tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4. Therefore tan inverse tan of 3 pi by 4. So in the place of 3 pi by 4 we can write here minus tan pi by 4, this one, and tan inverse minus tan pi by 4 we can write here tan of minus pi by 4, because minus tan theta is equal to tan of minus theta. This term is equal to this. So therefore tan inverse tan of minus pi by 4. After that tan inverse cancel with this tan, so we can write here minus pi by 4. So minus pi by 4 belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore tan inverse tan of 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus pi by 4. This is the value of this expression. Now question number 18. Question number 18 is tan of sine inverse 3 upon 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. Now the angle of tan can be converted into this term. This term sine inverse 3 by 5 into tan inverse, or this term also we can convert into tan inverse. So for this we will write here, let us start the solution. Let sine inverse 3 by 5 equal to x, and then 3 by 5 equal to sin x. This is the value of sin x, and we know cos x is root of 1 minus sine square x. So cos x is root of 1 minus, what is sine square? Sin x is 3 by 5, so it will come 9 by 25. After that solving, it will come 16 upon 25, root of 16 upon 25. So cos x will come 4 upon 5. Here sin x is 3 by 5. So we can write here tan x is sin x upon cos x. The value of sin x is 3 upon 5 and cos x is 4 upon 5. So tan x is 3 by 4 by cancelling this 5. Now this is the value of tan x. Now tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x. 3 by 5 upon 4 by 5 is equal to 3 by 4. So tan x equal to 3 upon 4. Now here x equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. Now what is the value of sin inverse 3 by 5? Here sin inverse 3 upon 5 is equal to x. So in the place of x we will put here, the value of x is tan inverse 3 by 4. So we will write here tan inverse 3 by 4. This is the value of sin inverse 3 by 4. Now the expression is, therefore the given expression is, the expression is this one, tan of sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. So sin inverse 3 upon 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2 equal to tan of, in the place of sin inverse 3 by 5 we will put here this value tan inverse 3 by 4. This value convert into this. So tan inverse 3 upon 4 plus, this is the value of cot inverse 3 by 2. So we can change this term into tan inverse. So it will come tan inverse 2 by 3. This is the value of tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. And we know the formula, we know the identity. We will use this identity, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy. This is the formula we will use here. So it will come tan of tan inverse, in the place of x we will write here 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3, y is this one, upon 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. So tan of tan inverse, after solving, the LCM is 12. Now here what will come here, 9 plus 8, and here also 1 minus 6 upon 12. So tan of tan inverse, yes, 17 upon 12 upon 1 by 6 by 12. Now after this it will come tan of tan inverse, yes, 17 upon 6. After solving, what is the value? It will come 17 upon 6. It means the given expression tan of sine inverse 3 upon 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2 is equal to 17/6. This is answer of this question. Now next question is question number 19. In 19 question, cos inverse cos of 7/6. Now in this question we have to find out the value of this. Now let us start the solution. Yes, first of all we know the range of cos inverse, that is closed interval 0 to pi. So we know the range of principal value branch of cos inverse is closed interval 0 to pi. Therefore 7/6 doesn't belong to closed interval 0 to pi. So we will reduce this term according to interval, this closed interval pi by 0 to pi. So using the formula, first of all, cos theta equal to cos of 2 pi minus theta. So here the expression is cos inverse cos 7/6. So we can write here cos inverse cos of 2 pi minus 5/6. Yes, because when you will take the LCM, it will come 12 pi minus 5 pi, that is 7/6. So cos inverse cos 2 pi minus theta, cos 2 pi minus theta is cos theta, and theta here 5/6. We can write here because cos 2 pi minus theta is equal to cos theta. According to that, we are putting here cos 2 pi minus theta is cos theta. So this cancel. What is left here? 5/6. And therefore 5/6 belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. Therefore the value of this expression cos inverse cos of 7/6 is equal to 5/6. So option is correct option is, options are given in the book, so correct option is B. This is answer. Now question number 20. In question number 20, what is the question? That is sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1/2. Now you have to solve this value, sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1/2. Now let us start the solution. Sine of pi by 3 minus, this is a given expression, sine inverse minus 1/2. So sine of pi by 3 minus, yes, sine inverse as it is, the value of 1/2 in the form of sine is, that is pi/6. 1/2, I am writing the value here, sine pi/6 is equal to 1/2. So minus, as it is in the place of 1/2, we will put here sine pi/6. After that sine of pi/3 minus sine inverse. Now again I am writing here sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So minus is coming outside, so it will come sine inverse. We can write here sine of minus pi/6 like this one. So sine of pi/3 minus, yes, sine of minus pi/6, sine inverse cancel with this sign. So here what is left? Minus pi/6. After that sine of pi/3 minus plus pi/6. So sine of, after solving this, take the LCM, 2 pi plus pi. So it will come sine of 3 pi/6. After that it will come sine of pi by 2, and you know what is the value of sine pi by 2? That is equal to 1. So sine pi by 2 equal to 1. So it means the value of sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2 equal to 1. This is the answer of this question. Now let us start the question number 21st. Now question number 21st is tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse of minus root 3. Now here, now let us start the solution. Tan inverse root 3 as it is. Now minus, we know the formula, minus cot inverse of minus root 3. This is the given expression. We know, we will use the formula here. Cot inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x. We will use this identity. Here it means in the place of this we can put here cot inverse of minus root 3 equal to pi minus cot inverse root 3. So let us start. It will come, after putting the formula, it will come tan inverse root 3 minus pi minus cot inverse root 3. Now open the bracket, tan inverse root 3, then minus pi, minus plus cot inverse root 3. Now interchanging the term, rearranging the term, after rearranging it will come plus cot inverse root 3 minus pi, and value of tan inverse root 3 plus cot inverse root 3 equal to pi by 2. This is the formula, minus pi. The formula is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. So we are putting the value of this term equal to pi by 2. Now pi minus 2 pi upon 2. Now what is coming here? Minus pi by 2. So this is the answer of this value.